guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today, guys, is my birthday. Woo! So today I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous style that I'm rocking. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, so I already did half of my head, so I'm just going to show you the other side. I'm using this X-pression hair, spring twist hair. It comes 3 in a pack. This is color 425. I'm using Shine and Jam, a right tail comb. So 3 in a pack, right? One pack, it has like 10 pieces in it. So I'm using 2 packs, guys. So together 60 pieces because it's 30 in a pack. So I have 60 twists in my hair, guys. I'm just separating the hair and I'm just going to pull the hair out a little bit. So guys, I'm using my Afro comb just to make sure my hair is nice and combed out. Make sure I go on the same line as the other side. So I'm just measuring it with my finger. And then I'm just using my rat tail comb just to section the hair, guys. And then I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam just to make sure it's nice and crisp. You know, it's really nice. And well, when we braid it, it looks really nice and neat. So I'm going to be showing you how to grip the hair, guys. Okay, so this is a beginner friendly tutorial. So bear with me. So I'm just applying the Shine and Jam on the hair, on my root actually. And then I'm just taking the piece out. So I just stretched the piece, guys. So I'm just taking one piece out, stretching it out. So it's very easy to use, guys. So what I'm doing is gripping my hair. So I'm placing the hair on top of my hair, okay? On top of the piece that I sectioned. So what I do is I grip with my 2 fingers, like my index finger and my thumb, right? And then the other hand, I'm going to start, you know, like braiding. So I'm just using my hair as one of the strands for the braid. Just making sure the root is nice and tight, guys. And then when you braid, so I'm braiding 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th time, I'm tucking the hair in the X-pression hair, guys. That way you cannot be able to see my hair. You know, this is a different color. So I like to tuck my hair in because it doesn't show, but also it looks really neat. You don't have to like use too much gel when you're twisting down, guys. I'm going to show you again, but I'm just trying to explain to you that you just place the hair on top right there, and then you grip with your index finger as well as with your thumb before you start braiding down. That way it's really nice and tight. You know what I'm saying? Like you don't want it to be too tight, but you also want it to be, you know, to be secure. Okay? So I'm just going to show you guys how to twist down. As I told you guys already, my twisting pattern is you have to twist both sides together. So don't twist one side. So I'm going to be showing you in a very slow motion how to twist the hair, guys. So I twist and then cross over. So I twist both sides of the hair. Before I cross them over, before I, you know, loop them around each other, I twist both sides together. That way, when I let it go, it does not unravel. Alright guys, so when you get to the end, you don't have to tie a knot. What you can do is just rub your fingers together and that seals the ends. So I'm just going to show you guys again. I'm just taking the hair, you know, taking my Shine and Jam, applying it on my roots, and then I'll grab the hair. I'm taking the hair out. I'm just going to separate it, you know, just to make sure it's really nice and manageable, because the other side is like a little, you know, it's coiled, because sometimes if you just want to, you know, crochet it, they just make it easier for you guys to do that. I'm just gripping the hair and then I start braiding down. Then I tuck the hair in, right there. I'm tucking the hair in and then I'm just going to twist it. So twist it first like that. And then I'm twisting the other side as well, guys. So together, I'm twisting both sides at the same time. So I'm going to show you again, guys. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Like you guys need to be twisting both sides at the same time. Otherwise, it's just going to unravel, guys. this is braiding 101, okay? So you place the hair, you grip it, you start braiding down. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th time, you are going to tuck the hair in. So right there, I'm tucking the hair in, right? And then I'm twisting before I cross over. So I twist again, and then I start twisting together the way I'm doing right there. So twist and then cross them over, guys. Sis, we're doing this. New year, new me, new hair, girl. Okay. But let me tell you something. 2021, we're coming in strong. Applying pressure, sis. We're applying pressure. All gas, no bricks. Okay. I did not want to use rubber bands on this color because I just wanted to teach you guys how to grip the roots, because people were saying they cannot use rubber bands because the rubber bands damage their hair. So I wanted to show you guys an easy way. And I don't twist from the bottom, as you guys already know. I don't do that, and I do not recommend twisting from the bottom because it puts too much tension on your hair, guys. It puts too much tension on your hair, and then you lose your edges. Oh, sis, we're trying to grow these edges. We ain't trying to lose the edges. And I also pulled my little edges out already and just licked down with like some eco styling gel, just to prep it for later on when I'm done, guys. Okay. So I'm just going to show you in the front as well. So you just place the hair and, on top, and then you start braiding using your hair as the 3rd strand, guys. That's the whole point. So just taking the piece out and start braiding with your hair and the X-pression hair. Okay, so your hair is the 3rd strand. So when you go 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th one, you're going to tuck in your hair. So tuck in your hair and then start twisting all the way down. Twist and cross over. So make sure you twist both sides. Like, I'm going to say this over and over again, guys, because that's the only way you're going to get this to stay. And don't forget to subscribe, sis. While we're still talking, have you subscribed to my channel? Girl, and today's my birthday. Girl, I am so pumped about this style. Like, oh my gosh, I am so excited. I wanted something different, just to rock on my birthday. Like, I didn't want black. I didn't want, I've done 30 and 27, and I haven't done burgundy in a long time. Actually, I did them in my Senegalese twist, and I love burgundy. They call it 425, but it's a burgundy, and I love it. So I'm just gonna show you the top part, guys, the last one. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited how this came through. I can't wait for you guys to see the end. Okay, like, sis is just feeling herself in this burgundy. Like, what's good? What's really good on the 3rd of January? Happy birthday, Tupo! Woo! I need to calm down. But let me finish this hairstyle, girl. Let me finish this hairstyle, sis. Let's see how this came all the way through. I'm super duper excited. I'm like, I'm super duper pumped for my birthday. It's my birthday. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you the last one, guys. So it's the same technique, placing it on top of your hair, on your natural hair. Start braiding down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you start twisting all the way down, guys. Twist all the way down until you are done. So when you get to the bottom, make sure you just, rub your fingers together, and it's going to seal. So don't worry about it unraveling when you get to the bottom, because I just love this kinky hair because it does not unravel. Really, it really takes a lot to unravel. So if you're unraveling, sis, that means you're not doing the twisting right. Anyway, so I'm just gonna cut the flyaways, just the little flyaways on the bottom. I don't want to cut too much, and these ones are shoulder length, guys. So I'm just moisturizing my hair with coconut oil and my Jamaican black castor oil. You know the drill right now. You gotta moisturize your hair, sis. You gotta moisturize, okay? then I'm just using my eco styling gel and my brush from Amazon to make sure I get my edges done. Okay, sis. And that's about it. Look at this. Ooh, baby. Ooh, okay, sis. How you guys feeling? Tell me how you guys feeling about this hairstyle. You guys rocking with it or what? Because I am. You guys know I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. Okay, so I just added these accessories that I got from Amazon. Oh my gosh, you already know when you add accessories, it takes the style from 0 all the way to 100. Oh my gosh, guys, we reached 60K. Woo! Happy birthday to me. Oh my thank you guys so much. Thank you. This is the best present ever. 60K, guys. We made it. 100K. Here we come. Woo! This is so light. This is so cool. Like, what? Oh my gosh, I can't wait for you guys to try this. Try this, like try the different colors. They have a lot of colors in this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to your girl. Make sure you hit the notification button so you don't miss any upload, sister. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Toodles. Bye.